Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to install SSH server in Linux systems. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To install an SSH server on Linux, you can use OpenSSH. Here's a quick guide. SSH, Secure Shell, is a secure protocol that enables encrypted remote access to computers over a network. It provides secure command line access, file transfers, and remote command execution while protecting against unauthorized access. Most Linux distributions include the OpenSSH client by default, allowing users to securely connect to remote systems over SSH. However, the OpenSSH server is not always pre-installed and may require manual installation based on the distribution setup. The OpenSSH client allows users to securely connect to remote systems over SSH, enabling command line access and file transfers. The OpenSSH server, on the other hand, hosts SSH connections, allowing remote users to access and control the system securely. SSH requirements: target machine you want to connect to, needs SSH server, OpenSSH server, installed, must be running the SSH daemon, SSH, SSHD, needs to have port 22 open, or your custom SSH port. Source machine you're connecting from, only needs SSH client, OpenSSH client, used to initiate connections. Most Linux distributions come with SSH client pre-installed. Installation instructions: Debian-based distributions, target machine. Source machine. Red Hat-based distributions, target machine. Source machine. Arch-based distributions, target machine. Source machine. OpenSUSE-based distributions, target machine. Source machine. Post-installation steps, target machine only, start SSH service, Debian-based distributions. Red Hat, Arch, and OpenSUSE-based distributions. Enable at boot, Debian-based distributions. Red Hat, Arch, and OpenSUSE-based distributions. Check status, Debian-based distributions. Red Hat, Arch, and OpenSUSE-based distributions. Debian-based systems name the service as SSH. Other distributions name the service as SSHD. Remember to configure the firewall on the target machine to allow the SSH port. Basic usage: from source machine to target machine. Remember, you only need to install and configure the SSH server on machines you want to connect to. The machine you're connecting from only needs the SSH client. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.